1932 Ford Delivery Street Rod here at Unique, especially in classics, and this one is a head turner. Whether it's the way it looks, the way it sounds, either one, you're gonna look, no doubt about that. 355 cubic inch small block Chevy power. As you can see, it has a polished 671 supercharger and polished intake manifold on it. Dual Demon 750 carb setup. It's running approximately 500 horsepower. And why not some Zumiez headers? I'll hit on a lot of the items on this vehicle, but there's too many to mention. I will not get them all. So in our still pictures, I will have a list of build items. And you'll be able to look through that, and I'll tell you where you can see that in a little bit. 32 billet grill, tell you that right up front. 10-inch big headlight buckets. Speedway front dropped axle with chrome shocks. It's actually a pro-built tube chassis. It's been powder coated. It is done nicely. All right, underside pick. So you can see what I'm talking about, some of these underside items. UniqueClassicCars.com. That's also where you're going to see the list of build items on this. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. You can see it has a vintage style air setup. Everything seems to be there. I've not had it blow that cold, FYI. All right, this is a Hastings glass body, by the way, with steel liner. It's finished in Plum Crazy PPG paint, base coat, clear coat, hence the Plum Crazy name it's been given. You can see side glass is tinted, so know your local and state laws, as well as the windshield. Those are power windows, by the way. We're gonna get to the interior in a little bit. It's an ultra leather interior, ET chrome wheels, Mickey Thompson's, I believe, front and rear. Jaguar independent rear suspension with Ford Lincoln coilovers. Four-wheel disc brakes. It also has close ratio steering. This one will take some trophies home for you. There's no doubt about that. This paint finished beautifully. Nice tasteful pinstriping. This rear door has an electric popper for it from the inside. Speaking of door poppers, driver and passenger door have a door popper that's recessed. How about that? Recessed into the cowl or firewall. I'm going to show you where that is. That would be right here, and there's one on the other side too. I'll go through all of this first, and then we're going to start it up. Once I start it up, you're not going to be able to hear me talk, which is probably a good thing sometimes, huh? And then I'll let you hear it run. We'll finish up this walk around video, and Jason's going to take you for a drive, show you how this thing goes down the road. I believe tires were date coded 2024. This is a more recent build. Odometer shows 6,000 to 7,000 miles on it, and that is more than likely since it's been built. Like I said, there's just too much to list. Painless wiring, ultra leather interior, Pioneer CD player, Lokar shifter and pedals. As you can see, tachometer, gauge cluster. 7637 for the miles. There's your AC controls. This button right here is for that rear hatch. Of course, banjo steering wheel. Headliner matching the interior. It's a nice saddle interior. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see that cargo area in the rear of it. This is a 4-inch chop, by the way, and it's been stretched 5 inches, so it's actually pretty roomy in there for a 32 delivery, put it that way. I think it's time to fire it up. Let's take a little closer look at this engine if you want to see. Nicely polished. Good looking engine bay. Those Demon carbs. Like I said, it'll turn some heads, folks. Now, how about as far as that sound part, whether you see it or hear it first? All right, let's go ahead and fire it up. All right, there we go. Check the gauges real quick. Water temperature, I did warm it up a little bit before I started it. Oil pressure, you'll see that change a little bit with the idle. And fuel gauge. UniqueClassicCars.com, 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Let's get Jason to take it for a drive.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a very amazing looking 1932 Ford Delivery. Plum crazy in a great purple color with a crazy engine. This is an automatic right here on the floor, so it's easy to drive. You don't get very good visibility right now, but I can see pretty well all the way around. Turn signal's working. She's loud and she's fun. Okay, I let off a bit so we can talk. Our tachometer mounted on the column is reading 1900 RPM. We're doing, it says 60 miles an hour. That may be right. It may be a little less than that based on the feel. Our water temperature showing about 130, likely still on the rise. Oil pressure showing 30 to 40 PSI. The fuel tank is showing a half a tank. Very nice interior, very nice exterior. This car is basically a show car, in my opinion, that also performs. Lots of power. I am getting a little rattling from that awesome looking back hatch door. Maybe just a couple rubber bumpers added in there would help. We have all our windows up, and this is what she sounds like. It's not too annoying, it's not crazy, but it is fun. Brakes feel good. Corners pretty well. It's very low. You're going to have such a low center of gravity, it's going to corner well. And believe it or not, everybody's staring at me for some reason. They love this car. Now the chop top, it looks crazy, but I'm 6'1" and I fit just fine. I actually have about a half inch of headroom. I have plenty of leg room. It's an automatic, so I don't even have to clutch. You definitely want to check out all the pictures of this car over at UniqueClassicCars.com.